Supplementary list, pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
As such, in the considered view of this court, and in this fact and circumstance of the case, this and discussion we had above, no valid ground exists to deny the promotion of petitioner to level 4 EGP 9000 grade. Reparations allowed accordingly. The part MP notification dated 16/1/2024 as far leaves the petitioner set and quashed.
Any mention?
May it please the Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention 3 items, my Lord, it's connected. 38, 39 and 40. 38, 39 and 40. I appear here, my Lord, for the corporation, and I have prayed in the last occasion to file an affidavit in view of the FEDCO's affidavit, my Lord. My Lord, my affidavit, I have some difficulty in getting the documents, so I'm praying for further time, my Lord.
What is 38 and 40? Electrocution?
My Lord, yes, and our stand was that FEDCO is the concerned department who should have paid the...
Have been given any interim?
No, Lordship.
They have not been paid.
No.
No, not a single penny by the FEDCO, my Lord.
FEDCO left the area also.
No, my Lord, they are getting some grant from IRB, my Lord, so which is why an affidavit is important from MECL, my Lord.
Yes, on the prayer of MSR only, we have responded MCL. Further 2 weeks time is allowed to additional affidavit.
My Lord, this will be an affidavit. I have not filed an affidavit.
Bring on reports, certain materials necessary. So do a report added.
To file an affidavit, my Lord.
An affidavit. Yes. Yes.
Master.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 30. Lordship, they are connected with all the transfer petitions 19 to 23, Lordship. 25 to 30.
Well, Advocate General.
Your Lordship is not available today, Your Lordship. If this matter can be fixed on the 27, Your Lordship.
So we'll close it and view the decision bench order.
On the 27, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing in item number 25.
Take down, yes. On the prayer of the parties, this is matter on 27.
Your Lordship, in my case, item number 31, I will press no because I've already, the trial is over and acquitted.
When acquitted?
Yes.
31. First thing, take item 31. Nakajong. Mr. P. Chatti. PK Chatti, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has since been acquitted. As such, the matter has become infructuous. So accordingly, the item 31 transfers also stands disposed of. And regard other matters and on the road to 30 without 31, then like on the prayer of the parties and respected counsel of the parties, this matter 27. It's on a Friday, it's very difficult. Why 27?
Your Lordship,
Who's after
because
27?
will be physically present on the 27th.
See, we think we will, the court will bend over backwards to accommodate just the ability of the council. We fix on 26, yes. Whether it's here or not, we'll take it up, yes.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42. 42. We have
42.
already informed the other side. So, Sebashi stand.
42.
42, Lordship.
Raziul Islam. After when?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 36, Your Lordship. Kindly give us 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why?
Mr. Ankara is not available, Your Lordship. He is indisposed.
No.
Where Dr. Mozika? They already informed you beforehand? No. You're always informed beforehand if you tear down. Yes. With 2 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 37, Your Lordship.
Who's other side? Said Country contempt matters 37.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Daily is item number 1.
Your Lordship, let this matter come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why?
The conducting counsel is not keeping well, Your Lordship.
He's not keeping well.
For Your Lordship, we had agreed if the matter may be remanded back to the presiding officer, setting aside all orders, and to hear it afresh, we would be satisfied with that.
Your Honor, let it come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
1 week, okay. Should recover by then. Yes, on the prayer of whatever. Let's have another 1 week due to unavailability to the arguing counsel. Just for the 1 week, yes.
Acknowledge.
Item number 2.
Mr. S. Krim, adjournment specialist. Yes. Not interested in pressing the petition anymore.
We are very much interested, Your Lordship.
Very much interested. But adjournment doesn't show interest. Yes. Adjourn to 3 weeks for reasons here. Yes. Yes. Next matter.
Item number 3.
Lordship, in this matter, we have taken step in respect to
So, respondent, Lordship, respondent number 2 and 5. 2-5.
Yes.
notice and all respondents.
All received. You're appealing for whom?
Except for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Except for 1, you're appealing for 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 is whom?
One is private respondent, Your Lordship.
He also has been served.
Lordship.
Yes, office note indicates that all the respondents have been served. Mr. S. Marapan, present on behalf of respondents 2 to 5. However, there is no appearance on behalf of respondent number 1. You want to file affidavit?
Not at the moment. It's just a small issue only, not required at the
Yes, list after 2 weeks for further orders and for appearance of respondent number 1. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
4.
May please Lordship, I have inquired from the post office the respondent number 2 which have been received, so I'm asking time, praying for time to file the affidavit of service.
You already served.
Already submitted, is mentioned.
Someone submits that the service is complete on respondent number 2.
To Lordship.
Please wait out to file an affidavit indicating such service. Yes,
Lordship.
prayers allowed. This up to 2 weeks, yes.
Much blessed, Lordship.
5.
This case, I received the affidavit. Unfortunately, my lord, this is one-sided, so I've sent it again. Kindly allow me 10 days.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding the pension, the husband and wife.
Pension?
Yes, Lordship.
Let's see affidavit. What does this say?
My next charge are also there. There was also delay on the part of the petitioner.
Yeah, for respondent number 5.
Yes,
Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're the second wife.
No, first wife. Actually, I'm the legally wedded wife. I have.
She is for the first wife.
Oh. Yes, as per the record, from the record of the petitioner's second wife, the deceased, and first wife, Apila Sangma, on the basis and obviously made by the AG. Have you made AG party?
Yes, Lordship.
Where's
they have filed the affidavit also.
Where's EB Prasad? Is it acceptable under the divorce? So, how you produce a second marriage certificate? We haven't obtained divorce from the first wife.
I have the marriage certificate.
Marriage is fine, but if you have substituting marriage with you marry one person, you haven't divorced her, you go and marry again, will that be permissible? Two marriage certificates with a divorce.
The Lordship actually, as per the record, as per the instruction of my client, she is the first wife. Then that private respondent is the second wife. Actually, they don't have the marriage certificate also.
No.
In fact, my lord, this matter was sent for mediation. Then it has come back.
The parties appeared in mediation.
Party appears. Both of them appear, but then they were.
You agree that she is that the petitioner is the first wife?
No, your lordship.
You're the first wife.
But they don't have the marriage certificate. It's only they're saying that as per the Garo customary law, that is cannot be acceptable.
Yes, Mr. Kivaroshi, please call up for a 2 weeks time to file. 1 week's time to file affidavit. Yes.
After 10 days.
Immediately thereafter. Yes, take it back.
6.
I just want to see the file. Look at the affidavit.
Lordship.
So how will you release the pension to you?
Obliged, my lord.
6.
Difficult.
What's plus Lordship?
May please, your lordship. Lordship, this matter being for a week's time, your lordship.
Infructuous.
Lordship, we are supposed to place an instruction, your lordship.
Instruction since last year.
My apologies, your lordship. Due to some difficulties, your lordship.
My lord, may I just bring to our lordship's notice that the instructions which have been solved was since 24th of September, lordship.
See,
And
Mr.
since
Siriam,
5 days have been taken for adjournment,
this
lordship.
matter now.
Lordship,
Your senior is in court.
no, your lordship. Actually, he's having some personal difficulty, your lordship. Yeah.
Lordship, matter may be
Lordship, a week's
disposed of,
time, your
lordship.
lordship.
Yeah, matter has become infructuous, lordship.
Anyway, on the prayer, Mr. SKM just after 3 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions. Yes. They've already issued fresh tender for the other medicine society by now.
Much obliged.
7.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, pleadings are complete. Matter can postpone.
7. You file affidavit. You're supporting the petitioner.
He's the second wife, your lordship.
Oh, second wife. Will put for hearing.
Yes, lordship.
Parties prayer matter be posted for hearing. The one list for hearing and so on, so on, so.
8.
Oblige, your lordship.
My lord, 8 to 13 are connected. 8 to 13.
Is they supposed to file the affidavit? This is regarding the non-payment of salary, your lordship. Actually, I am duly affidavit. They have not filed, lordship.
We have not filed, my lord. I mean, item number 12 only, my lord.
File.
We will file, my lord. We will file. I just got instructions. We'll be filing, my lord. I responded 1 and 2.
Item number 8.
Why are so many? One counsel appear for all similar matters.
All similar matters, all connected, same matter. 8 to 13. The same, only the district change, department is the same.
3 is whom? DRDA.
The agency, my lord.
You have been in all the matters of DRDA.
My lord, I've been.
All these cases are against DRDA only.
Yes.
Then who is the counsel DRDA? Project director.
General AAG, Mr. Andy Shulai, he's leading.
Where's Andy Shulai?
He's on next, my lord.
Your lordship, in item number 8, the agency have specifically instructed Mr. Shulai to appear on their behalf, your lordship. But it's only for item number 8, your lordship, because it's a different district.
8 only is appearing.
Yes, your lordship, for respondent number 2.
How can take matters forward? Who needs to file affidavits?
Well, I'm praying for
One
someone.
affidavit will suffice for all the matters.
Yes. But my lord, they're different.
Will it
different-
suffice or not?
But different. No, it'll not, my lord, because they're different departments, so to say.
Not different department, only
All
different
DRDA.
district.
Different districts, my lord. Yes.
Appointment also is by same person only.
Lordship, here we're awaiting instructions as well, Your Lordship.
They are all appointed by the district rural development agency.
You're
with
still working or you've
project
been-
director.
you've been-
We are still now also we are still working, Lordship.
We're in the DC's office.
Yes.
Being used as what?
We are in the different categories. Say for example, now this for item number 1 that Twinley Kabani is appointed as a office cleaner as per the appointment appointment order.
Now DRD.
Now also still working.
The
We are.
scheme's over. So where do they pay you from?
That is the government actually after when the scheme is over, then state government has taken over.
Where's that?
Lordship, this
that she's been given another appointment. Yes.
But but it is not the disputing that we are still working now also.
No, forget still working. They are exploiting your services then. If you come to work, they'll use you as cleaner. Where's the you said there's the next what? That they've been absorbed by into whatever contract with the.
The contracts are short-term contracts, my lord. 3 months, 2 months.
No, DRD is over now.
Yes, my lord. It's over, my lord.
You're appointed against a scheme.
Yes, they were appointed in this.
Where you represent it or no?
Yes, Lordship.
Did you file representation before you came to court?
No. No, we did not file.
Did you file or not?
No, we did not file.
Then? But you file it, explain to you why they're not paying you. If the explanation is not satisfactory, then you come.
Lordship, let them at this
Let them do what?
answer to.
Let them do what?
Since now also we are still working under them. This para 5 we have clearly mentioned.
Mentioning will not help you, Mr. Sangma.
And then there is another letter also where they have even
DRD is still
sanctioned.
existing or not?
No, it's not existing.
You have the documents to show.
No,
When
my
was
lord,
the scheme stopped?
we are seeking for instructions, my lord.
When was this matter filed?
This matter was filed last year, my lord. This matter was filed last year in October.
See, Lordship, there is one letter where the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Community and Rural Development Department, they have issued even the sanctioning the sum of rupees.
No, sanctioning is different. That's
for salary only, Lordship.
That is not. See, Mr. Sangma, try to understand. Now, appointments are made sometimes against ongoing schemes or schemes that have been implemented by the central government through state government, and they get funds to run those schemes. Against those schemes, they appoint people on fixed pays in any capacity. Once the scheme has been implemented or is discontinued, then you don't have any vested right to claim for continued employment. Now you say that you've been working, yes, it's DRD, the office is in the Deputy Commissioner office, but there's a separate project director, made Deputy Commissioner is a project director, and once the scheme discontinued, now you're trying to claim that you're gainfully employed with the Deputy Commissioner's office.
Lordship,
They didn't explain to you
yes,
that DRD is discontinued.
they are not denying. They still continuing.
No, forget the continuing. You're not being paid from May 2025, right?
June, my lord.
June. What does that mean?
Only two.
What does that mean? That means there is no fund being sanctioned anymore to meet your salaries. So I understand your petitioners will feel aggrieved. How many years they've worked?
Some of them they have worked more than 15 years also.
Why not filing an affidavit? What's the
My lord, we
difficulty?
have not got instructions yet. We'll get clear
Who's
instructions.
the person? Let them come here on the next date.
My lord, you just need a little.
Who's the
2 weeks
project
time, my lord, to
director?
file.
Where's car sales? Let them appear in person. If they're not giving instructions, then that means they're not even they are negligent of the duty. Yeah, you file affidavit within 1 week, or we'll summon them.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
2 weeks, my lord.
MSOA Bank for the state respondents. You are appearing for who? Project
One
director.
and two, my lord. One and two.
And who's
I'm appealing for
three?
respondent number 3, my lord, the agency.
And my lord, I've been endorsed only item number 12.
Since you make submissions, the record is submissions. These batch matters being similar have been taken up together. Stop. MSOI Bank appearing an item is for appearing WBC number 523 for 1 and 2, and Mr. J. N. Ranja for 3. 3 them allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit as instructions are still awaited. Praise allowed subject to the condition that affidavit is filed positively within 2 weeks, during which the concerned officials will have to appear personally to apprise the court. Yes, yes, up to 2 weeks. Otherwise, you just write a letter, you forget about it. That's the problem.
14.
Hospital Lordship.
But this is the matter where an association of ex-servicemen has been formed, my lord,
yes,
by certain individuals without any NOC from Assam Rifles and misusing the name of Assam Rifles, my lord. Now, my lord, what has happened after I'm appealing for Assam Rifles and the official arrest, my lord, they say Assam Rifle employees. Now, what is happening, my lord? They're collecting huge amount of money from the ex-servicemen, my lord. In fact, I have a chart only from one district, my lord, Dehradun, and which shows that the amount collected by them is 4 lakh something. From Nepal, they have collected lakhs of rupees, and they're using this money for not for good purpose.
Where is the petitioner?
Please, Lordship, I have instructions to appear for respondent number 3.
Number 3 is whom?
The association.
The one that is
The one that's
under scrutiny.
Lordship.
So what do you have to say?
Lordship will file a detailed affidavit.
What right do you have to form?
Lordship, it's a registered society under the Societies Act.
So you're misrepresenting.
Registered. Lordship.
Without NOC, they use the name of Assam Rifles.
Presidents will file a detailed affidavit. Lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time. We'll bring all the facts.
No, Lordship, some interim order, they'll not undertake any activity till the file.
Not at this stage, Lordship. We'll grant us some time to file an affidavit. Disclose all the facts.
They'll not collect money, but at least that much collect.
Mr. M.L. Nongkur, Learned Counsel, as an appearance on behalf of the respondent number 3 today. As such, notice is complete all respondents. Correct.
4 and 5 is there, Lordship.
No, 4 and 5 is whom?
The registrar, Lordship.
Have they been served?
Yes, Lordship, we've been served.
No one's appearing for them. Have you filed status? You obtained status?
Yes, Lordship. We just obtained today, Lordship. We'll file our affidavit. The goes the day, Lordship.
Number 3, stop. Mr. R. Kharkaran, correct. Also, the council submits that with regard to respondents number 4 and 5, the said respondents have also been served. We praise him allowed to file a affidavit indicating service before the next date. Stop. Next part. Dr. N. Mozika, Senate Counsel for the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 6 has submitted at the bar that the respondent. Oh no, you are the respondent 1, 2, and
6.
And 6. The 1, 2, and 6 has submitted at the bar that respondent number 3, which is an organization purported to be of Assam Rifles ex-servicemen welfare association. What we association of Assam Rifles ex-servicemen did not obtain NOC for registering the said association, and as per verified reports, the said respondent number 3 is engaging in collecting
lakhs and lakhs of rupees.
Donations amounting to lakhs from ex-servicemen. So he submits that there being a legitimate Assam ex-servicemen association in existence, the conduct of respondent number 3 calls for some interim order stop. In this context, Learned Senior Counsel has produced
One is from Dehradun district, my lord, and one is from
Produce
Nepal.
documents relating to donations collected from Dehradun district, Uttarakhand, and from Nepal, which shows that this is which shows that amount, which shows that a large number of ex-servicemen have contributed, have given donations. In this view, the matter, not to avoid further complications, this point number 3. Number 3. Number 3 directed in the interim to refrain from collecting a donation. Mr. Eman Nongpur, though vehemently opposing this direction, is given liberty to file a detailed affidavit and also for vacation of this order in this way. This up to 2 weeks. Yes.
Deputy.
15.
You take it back.
Yes. We'll file an affidavit.
No, we can record it.
The respondents have to file an affidavit, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray for 1 week's time, Lordship. We have sent the affidavits for signatures. Yes.
What is this?
Non-payment of outstanding dues, Your Lordship.
Mr. J.K. Paret prays for Lord for the 1 week's time.
1 week's time.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
16.
Where's Mr. K.P. Barasaji?
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time on his behalf, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit.
When is this filed? Recent matter. Yes, I've prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed affidavit. This is the outline.
17.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time to file our affidavit in this matter.
Where's the petitioner? None appears with the petition list for 2 weeks for affidavit.
Obliged, Lordship.
18.
Resolved, my lord. Passport has been issued.
What is this?
Regarding passport, yes, Your Lordship. We have
Regarding
received the
It's a
renewal
passport,
of.
my lord. He's a resident of San Francisco.
Yes,
Minor challenge, no, renewal of passport. No.
the parties submit that the matter has been resolved upon the petition disposed of as being fructuous.
Highly obliged.
Hearing. 24.
Praying if the matter can be taken up at the end of the board, they would want to argue it, Lordship. It's been heard substantially.
Hearing.
At the end of the board, my lord, if I may request.
Next week.
Kindly,
Pray, Mr. Yes.
Lordship, kindly have it at the end of the board, my lord. I'll be in difficulty. Tomorrow, Lordship. Yes.
32.
Tomorrow, Mr. Deb, you were in tomorrow. The court's not there tomorrow. And I'm leaving now in a little while. Yes. Yes, Mr.
Yes, Lordship. Here, I have challenged the appointment of the private respondent number 6 on the ground that
by 1 o'clock I'll send order. 1 o'clock send order.
on the ground that she was appointed prior to the vacancy arose, Lordship, and that too without any advertisement, Lordship. My lord, at this stage, Lordship, what I have the instruction from my client, Lordship, because there is a vacant, one post is lying vacant, Lordship. I just want to withdraw the liberty to file a representation before the managing committee, and the managing committee can consider.
Yes,
my
managing
lord.
committee. You have no objection to that proposal?
I'll not press for.
Yes. Do you have any instructions? What is your name? Ithaba. You have any instructions on the matter? You have the brief with you? Do you have the brief with you? Who's your leading counsel? Who's the leading counsel? You're the case yourself. Very good. Yes.
My lord, because there is no direct claim against the managing committee, lordship. My lord will see the page at.
Where we said that the vacant post.
My lord, that the headmaster has recently retired, lordship.
No, where? How do you substantiate that fact that the vacant post now?
My lord.
Suppose there's no vacant post.
My lord, then there is a vacancy. My lord,
they do a backdoor appointment like they normally do in the schools.
If I am otherwise entitled, lordship, my lord, is not that my lord will pass the blanket order that they will act on my representation.
Mr. S.A. Sheikh today at the outset has submitted that in the said school, that is
Potamati
non-government LP school, Tikikila, West Gari Hills, vacancy has since arisen due to the retirement of the headmaster. So we submit that though this representation directed against the appointment of respondent number 6.
Respondent 6.
At this stage, he no longer wishes to pursue the instant petition if liberty is given for him to file a representation before the managing committee for consideration of his candidature. So, Mr. Keyboard Haji appearing for the respondents number
1 to 4.
1 to 4 and MS Ithaba for 6.
Respondent number 5, lordship. 5.
And for 6. Yes. And Ms. SDF for 6 has no objection. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of on withdrawal. However, liberty to the petitioner to file a representation before the respondent number 5 for consideration for appointment against the vacant post in accordance with law.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord's qualification would be.
My lord.
There will be timber petition tomorrow.
33. 33.
This also arises out of the same school, lordship, where where Sir Sheikh had challenged this lady's appointment. Here, my lord, our only grievance is that at the time of approval, when the resolution was forwarded to approve, that approval was not given, my lord, to the
same respondent number 6.
Lordship, yes. She is in service since 2020.
You are in service?
Lordship, yes. The only difficulty was that the government did not approve it because of the MTET requirement. At that stage, my lord, the petitioner here was
overlooked.
Now, in due course, my lord, within the 3 years of appointment, she has qualified MTET. So I am only praying, lordship, that if they can reconsider the decision, because as on date, lordship, she is MTET qualified.
So you want me to dispose the representation?
Lordship, the representation has been rejected. So I may be allowed. They may be allowed to reconsider their. In the affidavit, they have brought on record the reason, my lord. Kindly see their affidavit filed by respondent 1 at page 7, my lord. This is a
number 1 at page
annexure 1, page 7 of state respondent number 1, lord. A short affidavit, page 7.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the second paragraph of this letter, lordship. In this regard, the proposals for the budget estimate for newly appointed teachers in non-government LP school 1, 2 we are not concerned, lordship. Number 3, Rishma Rabha, without MTET cannot be entertained. So this was the position, lordship, which was there. Now at this stage, lordship, she has since qualified MTET. I have the certificate with me.
So you're working now also?
Working now since 22, lordship. The approval was withheld because of non-qualifying MTET, not qualifying MTET at that point of time.
That time representation also he had not got MTET at that point of time.
Lordship, yes. It was on the understanding that she would eventually get it within the 3-4 years as per that NCT's thing, Lordship.
But my lord, whether that appointment can be regularized, that's the question.
Let them reconsider it, my lord, because she's in service for about 4
there
years
has to
now.
be perhaps a fresh advertisement.
When the
Please don't record the
writ petitioner at the time of filing the incident writ petition sought for consideration of a representation.
What I may pray, my lord, at that point of time, the representation was on a slightly different line. If I may be allowed
for release of salary
and salary, yes. So if I may be allowed to file a fresh.
Para 8, we have taken a stand. Para 8 of our affidavit.
Yes.
I can file a fresh detailed representation along with the.
No approval order can be allowed, my lord, without any proper advertisement. Proper selection process.
You're just working just like that.
No, there was a selection process, my lord.
No, there wasn't one. There's nothing on record.
You withdraw a petition.
Also, I may be allowed to. They can file a fresh representation.
You file a fresh, not representation. You file a fresh. Yes.
I'll file a fresh representation. That's all.
The counterpart submits that as the writ petitioner has since acquired MTET qualification, she will be allowed to withdraw this petition and be allowed to file a presentation before the respondent for due consideration. Same not objected to by Mr. Kibraja's prayers allowed. Matter stands closed and withdrawal, however, liberty granted the petition to put in an appropriate application representation for respondents for consideration of her
approval.
Only thing is that the stand that we had taken without advertisement.
That is
they can
that is your stand.
Again reject it, then we can approach. Obliged, lordship.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to regularization of employees, Lordship, who have joined.
How many?
34 of them, Lordship.
Joined which department?
Health department, Lordship. Lordship,
as what?
As on different posts, Lordship. Some are health assistants, some are vaccinators.
Not hit by that notification memorandum of.
No, Lordship. They have already been regularized, Lordship.
They already been regularized.
Already been regularized, Lordship.
Cabinet decision, they have been
in 2022,
regularized.
Lordship, when this notification for regularization was issued, Lordship, there was some ambiguity with regards to whether the past service of the employees will be taken into account for the purpose of pensionary benefits as well as MSAP, ACP, Lordship.
That has been addressed, Your Lordship.
That has been
they are getting the pensionary benefits, increment, leave as
date of joining.
From the date of joining, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. But they are now saying that they want promotion.
Lordship, they have already. Lordship, if my senior will kindly allow me, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, and there was another prayer, Lordship, whether this past service would be counted for the purpose of final upgradation under MSCP and ACP, Lordship. And Lordship, the state government has recently, in the year 2025, issued one office memorandum wherein they have allowed, Lordship. They have said that, Lordship, if I may submit, Lordship, this memorandum.
Is on record.
Lordship knows, Lordship.
Are they aware of it?
Lordship, the state has issued this memorandum, Lordship.
No, but is the council aware, not the state, I mean.
Yes, we discussed last time also. If I may, Lordship, read this. A subject is assured career progression, modified assured career progression, schedule matters relating to. Attention of the state government has been drawn to para 2-3 of the OM number so and so dated 22/2/2010 on ACP scheme, and also to para 3 of the OM number so and so dated 19/12/2017 on MSAP scheme with regard to admissibility of schemes in respect of employees appointed on ad hoc basis, Lordship. After due consideration, it is decided that benefits of ACP MSAP scheme shall be relaxed as a special case to Group C and D ad hoc employees who were regularized by cabinet decision on 15/3/2022 by personnel and ARB department's letter so and so dated 23rd June 2022. Lordship, by this letter.
So now what remains is only promotion.
Promotion also, Lordship.
As per your prayer,
Lordship,
you're asking for pensionary benefits, other serve benefits, remuneration, increments, Now promotion and
promotion, Lordship. What has happened, Lordship? Because of the prospective effect of
what
this,
kind of post are you serving in?
Lordship, vaccinator, health assistant, sanitary inspector,
Group
Lordship.
D or Group C?
Group C. Some of them are Group D also, Lordship. What has happened, Lordship, is that many of the petitioners were prior to the issuance of this letter were receiving their promotion, Lordship. There was a common seniority list wherein these ad hoc employees as well as the candidates who came in by way of DPC were clubbed together, Lordship. In their respective cadres, as per their seniority, they were receiving their promotion, Lordship. So what has happened, Lordship, is just prior to this issuance of this letter, many of the petitioners were eligible for promotions, Lordship. DPC was about to be held. Now what is happening is that because of the prospective clause in this memorandum, the department is saying
9 July.
9 July, Lordship. Department is saying that because your service is effective from the date of this notification, your past services cannot be taken into
9 July.
Lordship.
But it's not there in your petition.
Lordship, what is my prayer, Lordship? Lordship will kindly allow me.
Prayer? See, you look at a prayer. Now you're asking for consequential whatever benefits,
Lordship,
which would have got from organization. Correct.
Lordship.
Now this one it's a memorandum. Is it under challenge?
No, Lordship.
Have you
That
questioned
MACP, Lordship, no, that is, I'm not agreed by that.
It's on record here by affidavit anyway.
That is
no.
No, we have filed it by way of an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
to
I'm
say
not,
that
I'm
they
not
have
agreed
been-
by this, Lordship.
They have been given
I'm not-
ACP and MECPs, Your Lordship.
I'm not agreed by this, Lordship.
I don't understand. Have you been given ACP, MECP or not?
Lordship, yes, by this letter I have been given. Petitioners are given.
What is it? What is the grievance now?
I have no grievance with this letter, Lordship. Only grievance is that now many of the petitioners are due for promotion, Lordship. They have already received promotion in the past prior to the regularization, Lordship. So while they were ad hoc, before they were regularized, they were receiving promotion as if they were de facto regularized, Lordship.
Okay.
Now what has happened? Once the regularization letter notification was issued, the department is treating them as a prospective clause, and they are saying that their past services will not be counted, so that their services for promotion cannot be. At the words of DPC, Lordship, they have been left out now. So only that grievances, Lordship. If that is addressed, Lordship, because it is not as if that they were not provided promotion in the past. They were given promotion, Lordship. They were given promotion.
How could they have been given promotion when they were ad hoc employees, Your Lordship? No DPC, no nothing, Your Lordship.
DPC was there, Lordship.
There was, whether there was a vacancy.
If they have a length of service,
Lordship,
the only consideration they want,
they should
forget that promotion, whatever, but length of service we take into account. Now, if they're serving in a particular post, whether rightly or wrongly, really they've been promoted or serving in a post. So MACP is taken against how long? 10 years you serve.
8 years or 10 years, Your
for
Lordship.
a promotion or financial upgradation. So what they're asking for, if I understand correctly, is that after the memorandum came out, all that's been washed away and it's taken as prospective, so that
Yes, that is what
this past service been erased, and so
the ad hoc
whether will complete 10 years.
regularization has been allowed prospectively, Your Lordship.
and
So
so
they are
that
no
is what-
longer ad hoc but regularized. They are getting all the benefits of a regular employee
here is
except the
somebody-
promotion, Your
Lordship,
Lordship.
I have judgment, Lordship. I'll place it on.
Even I have got a judgment.
On the prayer of Mr. S. Pandey, just a matter of 2 weeks, parties to some authorities. It's only regard of length of service.
And they are contradicting their own position, Lordship. They have taken in my services for the purpose of MACP, but they are not taking my service for the purpose of promotion, Lordship.
It was just
Not
a
on
one-time special case, Your Lordship, not a.
And they have received promotion in the past, Lordship. Highly appreciated.
It is irregular, illegal promotion.
35.
Yes.
The second round of litigation, my lord. Earlier, my lord has passed the order that is page 26, my lord. Clear direction was given to the respondent authority. Paragraph number 7, my lord. The respondent authorities are directed to formally communicate all the 5 entries made in ACR for the assessment years 14 to 19 to enable the petitioner to make a representation within a period of 1 month.
Okay, what
of
happened?
receipt of the commission.
What happened after
Thereafter,
that?
my lord, a representation was submitted by the petitioner.
They communicated to you the 5 entries.
They have not communicated, my lord, but they have rejected my representation only without taking any ground mechanically, my lord.
If you're not communicated, on what basis did you make the representation? Wrong case. Dr. Mozika?
It's been communicated, my lord.
Communicated, Mr.
Communicated,
Kumar?
final order passed, my lord. Against that they have come now.
Oh, okay.
Now they
Against non-accreditation.
My lord.
My lord, kindly see page number 27, paragraph 8 of the judgment, my lord.
Yes, no. What Dr. Mozika says is that,
my lord,
the entries were communicated, correct? 5 entries in ACR for the years of 14-19. That has been, your representation has been filed. That's been taken into account, and they have not upgraded they have not upgraded your ACR. So that's why you don't get promotion. So what grounds have you made out on the petition? Yes.
My prayer is, my lord.
First round was easier, my lord. This is tough. First round was easier. So just taken
Second round not so easy. Yes.
Petitioner call record issue rule calling.
No, the prayer is very simple, fine. But what are the grounds that you are seeking this prayer? Because they have considered your representation, they have rejected it.
My lord, that uncommunicated ACR, my lord, that my prayer is that uncommunicated ACR is not taken into account, my lord. And however, they have communicated to me, my lord, that it should be as per the annexure 12 of my writ petition, my lord. Page number 41. They have rejected my prayer only mechanically, my lord.
Where's the rejection?
Performance.
Compliance.
Rejection, my lord.
Yes, 35.
My lord, I have.
Page
32 onwards.
My lord, I am very sorry, my lord. In the writ petition, the legible part is not there of the impugn order. So I have placed the one legible copy extra during the last hearing, my lord. Kindly see.
Yes, okay.
Paragraph 9C, my lord. 9C onwards, my lord. There is the rejection, my lord.
(31st July 23) is the rejection order. Oh no, sorry. This is an order of this the guidelines. This orders pass in connection with what?
Against my representation dated
okay.
31st July 2023, my lord.
Where did you file a petition?
24.
Okay. Yes.
24.
Where 9C?
9C, my lord. 9C onwards, my lord. On perusal of annual confidential report of the petitioner for the year 14-15 to 18-19, it is revealed that the petitioner has been graded high average points in the ACR for the year 14-15 to 18-19. Assessment and grading awarding in the ACR by IO and RO are purely based on the performance of the ratee during the assessment period, my lord. Hence, award of 5 average grading during the assessment year from 14-15 to 18-19.
Yes.
All are clearly lacking the required ACR criteria. Hence, the petitioner was rightly denied the promotion to the next higher rank of Subedar GD by duly constituted departmental promotion committee during the year 2020. It is worth mentioning that the petitioner was assessed on his ACR by 7 different officers, my lord, during the year from 14-15 to 18-19, leaving hardly any scope prejudice in assessing his performance. The award of 5 average grading in the continuous period from the year 14-15 to 18-19 clearly reflects that performance of the petitioner was not up to the mark of the considering him for next rank, my lord.
How many points you need? 7.
7, my lord.
Dr.
And they have graded 5, my lord.
It requires 7.4.
7, right?
Yes.
7, my lord. 7 is required, my lord. They have graded 5, my lord.
So how are we to examine whether if the assessment is correct or not? Once they've graded, they've graded. The court can't go into the behind the scenes inquiry. You get higher, and also that the is gone through 7 different officers from 14, 15 to 19. So they will not be in prejudice. You can't have 7 officers grading, in collusion to give you a low grade of 5, high average of 5. 7 is
Above average.
Above average, yes. Your authority, Mr. Kumar, to show how prejudice was caused to you. You have any authorities?
Yes, my lord.
You have, yes? Can we have a citation?
So, my lord, next week I will place that authority, my lord. The matter may be taken next week, my lord.
Dr. Mozgat, because if 7 officers, then it's not a question of, same reporting and each officer. Yes, I request Mr. B. Kumar just after 2 weeks for further hearings.
My lord, keep your lordship.
41.
This matter, my lord, concerns the land acquisition and non-payment of, my lord, the compensation to me.
By whom?
By the State Department, my lord.
By the?
State Department, Fishery Department.
Who's the Constable of the State? Who appeared before?
My lord, for the State, my lord, it was Madam Bhattacharya. Seema Bhattacharya. I think she is still indisposed.
She had a mild stroke or something?
Yes, my lord. I'm informed that she won't be available until the end of February.
Then what to do?
We can defer it for 2 weeks, my lord.
Yes, as the government advocate is not available, this is matter after 2 weeks. 3 weeks.